Here we go.
Terry Gross. After writing for Late Night with Bob O'Brien, Late Show with David Letterman, and The Chris Rock Show, my guest Louis C.K. is writing for his own series. It's the new HBO sitcom Lucky Louie that premiered last Sunday after Entourage. Lucky Louie stars